These notes are from Profitnama's NISM Research Analyst Guidebook. The link is provided in the description below. Now, let's learn about industry rivalry. Industry rivalry refers to the level of competition among companies within an industry. High rivalry, as seen in the aviation and telecom industries, leads to lower pricing power and reduced profits for industry participants. In highly competitive industries, innovation in products and customer service becomes crucial for survival. Strong competitors with deep pockets can employ tactics, such as dumping products or services at prices below cost, to drive out other participants. The intensity of rivalry can be assessed based on several industry characteristics. These include the number of companies in the business segment, the level of differentiation among products or services offered by participants, the similarity in strategies used by industry participants to attract customers, the ease with which customers can switch between products or services. Industries with strong rivalry often experience frequent periods of low revenues and profitability. A good example of this is the telecom industry in India, where players compete for market share through competitive plans and face high customer migration due to price sensitivity. To succeed in a highly competitive industry, companies must focus on both internal and external factors. Internally, companies should focus on efficient operations, reducing working capital requirements, speeding up turnaround times, and lowering the cost of capital. Externally, they should work on launching differentiated products, creating strong brands, and uniquely positioning their products or services. An example of this is Micromax, an Indian cellular device company. Within 3 years, Micromax gained significant market share by offering special features at competitive prices. I hope you have understood this topic by now. If you have any confusion or need help, don't hesitate to contact us. We are here to assist you. This guidebook is available as a downloadable PDF and in printed book format with cash on delivery options. You can find the link in the description below. Become a Profitnama member today to access all our website content and get doubt clearing support on WhatsApp. Visit Profitnama today.